We like to believe our planet is an unbreakable fortress. But what if tomorrow, a visitor from deep space arrives, one capable of wiping us out in seconds? Imagine a rock the size of Mount Everest, billions of tons of stone and metal, racing through space at 60,000 kilometers per hour. This is not just a meteor. This is a planet killer. It begins in silence. Deep inside observatories, astronomers notice a strange dot, something that shouldn't be there. Red alert. The calculations are clear. Impact is inevitable. The world freezes. Sirens scream in cities. People stare at the sky in disbelief. Only hours remain. Governments are powerless against the force of the universe. Atmospheric entry. The meteor ignites into a blinding fireball, brighter than 1,000 suns. The air around it heats to the temperature of a star's surface. Impact. If it hits the ocean, the water itself rises in fury. A mega tsunami kilometers high, moving at the speed of sound, erases entire nations in minutes. If it strikes land, the Earth's crust bends like paper. The shockwave races around the planet multiple times, toppling skyscrapers like houses of cards. Earthquakes beyond magnitude 15 rip tectonic plates apart. The ground begins to melt beneath everything, for thousands of kilometers. Thousands of tons of molten debris are blasted into space only to fall back as fire. A rain of hell. The planet becomes a living inferno. But the worst is yet to come. Dust and soot fill the atmosphere, blocking the sun completely. A great darkness begins, lasting for years. Surface temperatures drop by 30 to 40 degrees and impact winter. Without sunlight, plants die. Photosynthesis stops. Food chains collapse. Livestock disappears first, then wildlife. The world turns into a frozen, silent wasteland beneath a black sky. Acid rain burns what little remains. The air becomes toxic, filled with sulfur and carbon dioxide. Survivors? Maybe only those hidden deep inside autonomous bunkers. But survival becomes a constant war for dwindling resources. Humanity would be forced to start over. In a world without familiar cities, without technology as we know it. The greatest test our species has ever faced. Yet life is resilient. Thousands of years later, the ash settles. The first ray of sunlight touches the earth again. Life finds a way, as it always has. For now, this is only a scenario, but it reminds us how fragile our home truly is, and why protecting Earth matters. What would you do in the final hours before impact? Write in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to uncover the truth about space. See you next time.